In this video, I'm going to teach you how to know which Epic Games account is linked to your PlayStation 4. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. This process can be done over at the Epic Games website. I'm going to be showing you how to do this on my computer through a web browser, but you can also do this on your phone or your PlayStation 4 if you have access to a web browser in those. Simply go to www.store.epicgames.com and over here at this web page, hover over at the top right corner of the screen and select Sign In. As you can see over here, if you don't remember your email or you don't want to log in using your Epic Games account, simply select Sign In with Account for PlayStation Network. You will be prompted to log in using your PlayStation credentials, so go ahead and input your PlayStation Network ID, and after you do, you will be able to hover over your name again at the top right corner of the website and select Account from the drop-down menu that appears. Now, in the account settings, you will be able to see all of your account's credentials, including your email address, display name, and other options like going over to the Apps and Accounts tab, and over at the Accounts tab, you will be able to see all the connections, including your PSN account. From here, you can change your email, change your display name, and manage your account. I hope I was able to help you on how to know what Epic Games account is linked to your PS4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.